The introduction part has already been completed by Ravi. So let me go get into the subject. What are the challenges city faces today, or the urban scenario faces today? These are two quotes from one of the famous reports. Like, more than ever before, cities are home to humanity's great expectations. Simultaneously, it also leads to increasing social disparities, poverty, pollution, waste, etc. And we have people who will be speaking on both these aspects, how to take care of these challenges. The cities are growing. We, in fact, by 2020, 100 new cities with 10 lakh population will be added. 50% of the population has already become urbanized by 2008, which is to go up to 60% by 2030. Half a billion people will be urbanized in next 5 years, and all these will result in huge impact on environment. Can we afford to continue like this? This is what our R.K. Lakshman had made some time back. And if you look at our cities, many of them, they do have some resemblance. So what is the way out from this? Whatever we do, we need to have sustainability as the main goal, whether on economic front or environmental front or the social front. All these three fronts we need to have as a responsible citizen. Now, in this context, how the community which is living in those cities can contribute to better management of cities, economic development of city, and providing better quality of its citizens, and what role technology can play in that. I have tried to show here that all aspects of our life today is touched upon by ICT, and there is a great deal of possibility for improving many of the situations. And that is by connecting all our offices, our homes, and now from there we have reached a scenario where all our devices are getting connected. And this connectivity, the Internet of Things, how this will bring solutions to the vexed problems which I had shown earlier. Now, in this context, we have various tracks. How do we use technology to solve challenges posed by transportation? Professor Dinesh Mohan is going to speak on that. Then we have health and governance issues. The governance issues will be touched upon by Rasmi. Then we have new city. A new city is being developed today. How we can use technology, and there Vivek will be speaking on that. Brijesh Kumarji will be speaking from his past experience of having designed Greater Noida. He was the main architect of this new city which is coming up. So what initiatives were taken and what kind of things were planned at that time, he'll be speaking on that. And then our friends from IBM and SAP will be talking about what the city's administration should look like, or the whole nervous system should look like from the top. And our colleague, the Chief Planner, Town and Country Planning, Ministry of Urban Development, will give an overview of how the new cities are to be built.